Cyrus, what did you learn?
When the baking soda mixed with the water, it made it a paste, and the dark grape juice made the message visible.
Yesterday we found out how to make a DIY love lamp using different materials such as blue food colouring, oil, water and tablets. We saw that the food colouring mixed with the water, then Year 4 put the tablets in and it started to bubble.
On Monday, we looked through the microscopes and saw tiny things. What we mostly saw were bugs and insects.
The light box has optical sets are useful in reflection and refraction. The light box can create a single light beam or few parallel light beams. For example, if we put pencil in the jar and slowly pour water into the jar, the refraction is bending the light and the objects look bigger.
Perhaps I still need a few adjustments. My name is Professor Glamour. Most glamorous scientist in all the world. Can't you tell? I've been working on a potion to make everyone beautiful, especially help them with their long, flowing hair. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, scientists. I am the only scientist here who has received a major science award. My name is Magna Gucci. My scientific work is very unique, as I have invented many and worked on many things. My most special work has been to create potions that protect humans from evil doings. Do you know what my job is? My job is to create a lot of happiness, spreading fairy dust throughout Santa Sophia. Would you like to see? Inside this potion, it is a groundbreaking experiment to allow us all to become invisible. Would you like to see how it works? I need some help. Magna Goody, Wiggle Bottom, Sneeze Often, and the conjoined twins. You know what to do. Alright, she's becoming invisible. Watching. And as the scientists circle around invisible, let's help them by counting down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you smell that? Oh. I really have to work harder on these smells. Look at those silly scientists. They all think they are so clever working their silly inventions. They never work. I am the one with all the brains around here.
Will you help us rule the world?
Assistants, we need some help over here. What are you saying about evilness? And what is that crazy laugh you keep doing?
So ridiculous. I don't even know how to spray a spray bottle. How hard can it be to get this thing to work?
You got it to work! Well done, Petri dish! I'm one step closer to finishing. Yeah! I wouldn't want anyone stealing my ideas. My invention is almost complete. Do you smell that? Something really bad.
minor detail. Come on.
Now we have to be smart. Our potion needs to be spread somehow so that all people will taste it at the same time.
Well, please eat up, famous and clever scientists. This soup was made especially for you.
And with that evil laugh, the scientist slurped the tasty soup.
You didn't stir it well enough.
I followed it exactly. Here, let me try some. Should I try some?
It doesn't.
And just like that, the evil assistants fall to the ground in a deep, dark sleep. The scientists celebrated and gave 3 cheers for the clever scientists.
Come on, let's collect these evil villains.
I'm innocent!
Can I keep the head? I may be going to jail, but I look fabulous.
3 cheers for Magna Goody and Regal Bottom.
Boys and girls, let's give 3 cheers to our wonderful actors. Hip hip!